It always starts with a single spark. The camera turns on, the room feels alive. An idea quietly grows into something magnetic. Jenny Hoyos calls it finding the blue ocean, a place where competition feels almost invisible. He speaks about testing titles like sharp weapons. Each word must cut through noise instantly. The opening seconds are treated like pure gold. Every frame must work, or it gets cut. The goal is to keep eyes locked in. But there's something Jenny doesn't explore deeply. The magic of building a personal brand. When people follow you, not just the topic, it becomes easier to experiment without losing them. Your presence becomes the glue for loyalty. Tip: show your personality in small bursts. A quick smile, a unique phrase, a habit. These tiny patterns become part of your signature. Viewers begin to expect and love them. That's when you become truly unforgettable. Another angle is to create anchor content. Videos that survive beyond trends or algorithms. Searchable pieces that work months or years later. Tutorials, lists, and curiosities thrive in this role. They quietly pull in new viewers every day. Tip: balance. Viral and evergreen like to engines. Virals push you up fast, evergreens hold you steady. Together, they keep momentum from breaking down. Stories don't need to end in one upload. A story arc can last days or weeks. It creates anticipation and binge-worthy behavior naturally. The channel slowly feels like a living series. Tip: and a video with an open loop. Leave a question only tomorrow's upload can answer. Your audience will return to close the gap. Jenny focuses on YouTube, but distribution multiplies reach. A single short can live on TikTok too, or be cut for Instagram Reels and Facebook. Each platform brings a new stream of traffic. More eyes mean more opportunities to grow. Tip: adapt. Don't just repost. Change text, tweak pacing, and have platform-native hooks. Audiences respond better when it feels tailor-made. Monetization shouldn't lean solely on AdSense or sponsors. Owning your audience means owning your business future. Build an email list to a private community early. Offer digital products, courses, or themed challenges. These streams give you freedom to take risks. Tip: give free value before selling anything. People buy from those they trust and admire. Don't ignore the middle ground between formats, between shorts and long form. There's a golden space. 1 to 3 minute videos still hold strong attention. They allow depth without risking major drop-off. They can even bring higher CPM rates. In the end, every channel is an experiment. The key is never stopping the small tests. Keep refining, keep surprising, keep building your style. And always remember, your brand is the story. Everything else is just the camera capturing it. Thanks for watching. Like us and subscribe for more awesome tips.